Industry 4.0, just equivalent to Microsoft Multimedia revolution. Let's see the RPG2 program. Suppose you have already downloaded RPG demo from our company's website. And in RPG2 program, you can see from shutdown. The first is direct play, shutdown. If server on, server disconnect, server shutdown, adapter 1 shutdown. If the client still on, the client disconnect, client shutdown, adapter 2 shutdown. This is for server client used for remote control. This routine is from Jim Adams' API. As in direct show, the CCD cross, if the CCD is still on, then we use safe release, the G graphics, safe release, the G capture, safe release, GPMC, GPVW. The CCD, the reason why we adopt these parts, because several years ago our company doing a project to do the pattern recognitions of the print cross of the Apple II, of the Apple cell phone. There are two glasses with print cross. We have to capture the video and get the location and calculate as the top glass turn over and the cross aligned with the button glass. We manage to control the SSY table to adjust delta X, delta Y, and delta theta to get accurate coincident bonding together. So we have to use the ratio to do sort of things. While in Jim Adams' books there isn't anything talking about the ratio. So we have to do the research from Microsoft DS SDK to get this part. Fortunately, we get through the research. Today, we provide the basic functions of CCD to capture the video here. As to the direct play, we doing the research for 10 years until recently we go through the research. previous we just connect the server and the client within local area network or pure wide area network. You cannot connect from LAN to WAN, WAN to LAN, or you cannot run the program on Windows 64 bits computer. The customer never forgive this. The requirement very urgent, but we still cannot break through by using Gene Adams' game code about the part of direct play server and client connection. While we survey Microsoft's DS SDK, the sample program server client, you can do whatever you want. 64 bits connect with 32 bits, vice versa. Per byte, you can ping at a command area to ping the IP address. If ping IP address OK, then you can use Microsoft example program to connect through the client and the server connection. But doing a lot of research, at last we found simply because adapter not only one in the client adapter 2 connect. We try 2 or 3 adapter. At last we found Gene Adams' program about a part of a direct play is okay. Since then we can connect 64 bits computer with 32 bits computer, and then to connect with WAN, vice versa. Everything is exactly like Microsoft SDK. But the Gene Adams programs is very easy, state of art, very easy to understand, and plenty of examples for reference. Doing research is very, very good. And as to the direct graphics, direct graphics we spent at least 6 years to solve the lighting, to solve the vertex buffer, whatever, until, and most important is the matrix, inside matrix. Sometimes it's right hand rules. The Y and the Z directions always mixed up with other programs. Suppose with the SolidWorks still following the direct graphics like Gene Adams, the YZ opposite. But we have to follow Cartesian coordinate systems. So we do a lot of corrections, especially the internal matrix transformation. At last, we found the solutions and set it down to use perfectly, at least at this moment, about direct graphics. And we provide the result of the research in RPG2. Although it seems just the foundation, you can build your building based on these foundations to do your own research, your own creations in today's join the revolution of Industry 4.0. Okay, not only direct graphics, but also direct input, mouse, and the keyboard. The joystick, we didn't use it. And the direct sound, although direct sound we provide the basic function about the MIDI. You can find the source code from Gene Adams, the game code, and the tower example programs to fetch the tremendous programs about voice of animal, of human. And the MP3, we found the source code from Microsoft DSSDK as well. Okay, so from the shutdown, you can see the 5 big parts of Microsoft Multimedias all used as the example program of RPG2. And most important, we provide the usage about the CPS, cyber physical systems, the main parts. We provide 2 big areas. One is the CSV file of scene definition, and we provide the source code inside RPG2 to decode the scene CSV file. Thereafter, you can use Excel to write down your own mechanisms and load it into RPG2 and showing the model of the mechanism. As to the most important for automation is the action, the script. We also provide the second big part about the visual script. The CSV file of the visual script you can write down by Excel in ASCII format about open and close the PLC and 3D simulation to handle the objects moving or rotation, whatever, to do the 3D simulation on screen by RPG2. And you can adopting any motion control cards and adopting provided API to let the physical machines running according to the virtual machines on screen to finish the CPS application. I hope in this new year you can prepare to venture your new creation about the CPS, about any sort of application. Hope your success. Andy.